Liza, can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Mama.
Dada.
Mama. Mama.
Dada.
Mama.
Can you say thank you?
Egg.
Say please.
Egg.
Say bye-bye.
Papa.
Say night-night.
Mama.
Night-night. Say papa.
Papa.
Papa. Say
Papa.
say tubby. Tubby.
Papa.
Tubby.
Papa. Papa.
Say
Papi.
belly.
Papi. Papi.
Yeah, there's your belly. Say breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yeah, and say lunch.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Say baba. Can you say milk? Milk.
Mama.
Can you say Liza? Say Liza. Say Liza.
Dada.
Say banana.
Mama.
Say, I don't know what else you say. You say everything. Say strawberries.
Buddy.
Berries.
Baby.
Oh, baby. That's a new one, huh? Baby. What about bunny?
Mama.
Bunny.
Mama.
Bunny.
Mama.
Can you say doggy?
Papa.
What's a doggy say? Woof, woof. Liza, stand up. Stand up. Nah, you don't have to. Sit down. Liza. Liza, where's your nose? Where's your ear? Yeah. Where's your lips? Oh, that's your ear. Where's your eye? Say eye. Eye. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.